Yo, welcome back to my channel, guys. So this video today is going to be showing you an NBA 2K26 VC glitch. You can actually get a locker code for 450,000 VC, and that costs around $100 US, guys. This method of getting free VC takes just about 5 minutes, and it is well worth it. And it is actually working on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, all of the platforms. And it is going to get you 450,000 VC for free using a 2K26 VC glitch. Before I show you how to do this, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm always searching for updated glitches for 2K26. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into this video. And this is going to get you a locker code that you can redeem in 2K26. And it is a glitched locker code because it does supply you with way too much VC. Like I said, you are going to get 450,000. So open up your mobile internet browser. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. And you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So there you go, Crash Coupons. Copy that down. And what this is, guys, this is basically a game code website. And they have loads and loads of pages of codes. As you can see, they have like 23 pages full of different game codes. So what you're going to want to do is just use the search bar where it says search here, and obviously just type in NBA 2K26. This is the locker codes page, guys. Now, the reason I call this a VC glitch is because this specific code isn't supposed to supply 450,000 VC because it is a legit code, but it actually does supply that much. So click on get code, and basically these are limited. So I did this earlier and it took me about 5 minutes just to get your code. So what you're going to see here is it's going to allocate you a VC code. So it's found a valid code. But what you need to do is unlock it. Obviously, this is like $100 worth of virtual currency. So it prevents people taking the 600 codes. You can only do this once. So to get your VC glitch locker code, click on this button. And you just got to follow the instructions. Basically, this is going to tell you what to do to unlock your 2K26 code. So it says, complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below to unlock your code from Crash Coupons. Follow the instructions below each app. It takes 30 seconds and verifies you're not a robot. Now, it takes a little bit more than 30 seconds. It took me about 5 minutes, guys. But essentially, you just need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page. And they are completely free. And there is some instructions telling you how to complete each task. And they're really easy peasy things. There's like free surveys where you just have to answer questions and input your email. There's ones where you just download, install this app and run it for 30 seconds. There's ones where you just follow the easy instructions on the next page. So you just tap them and follow what it says to do. And once you do that, it's going to send you back. So if you complete 2 of those, your code for your 2K26 VC will be unlocked. And you grab it from this box, claim it, redeem it in the locker codes page in game in the menu, and that is going to give you 450,000 VC in 2K26. So that is the best NBA 2K26 VC glitch working after patch for all platforms, and that is going to get you 450,000 VC. So go to Crash Coupons and then navigate your way using the search bar to this 2K26 locker codes page, guys. And yeah, that is going to get you your VC code. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.